automatic paper can cleaning sealing machine line, automatic 4-head paper can cleaning machine. The whole machine is made of stainless steel. Advanced man-machine interface operating system, adjustable operating parameters, easy to use. Simple structure, easy to operate and use. Suitable for all kinds of cans and tube inside cleaning with cleaning brush. Automatic high paper can seaming machine. Whole machine servo control makes the equipment run safer. A total of 4 seaming rollers are completed at the same time to ensure high sealing performance. The can body does not rotate during the sealing process, which is safer and is especially suitable for fragile and liquid products. Square-type bottle unscrambler machine. The equipment has a simple structure, stable operation. The speed can be adjusted based on actual production needs and is very easy and convenient. It can accommodate a large number of cans in the automated production line.